Get ready to witness the unbelievable progress of Tesla's Optimus robot in this mind-blowing video. Step into the future with us as we unveil the incredible journey of this futuristic marvel. We take you on an exhilarating journey, showcasing the mind-blowing technological progress achieved by Tesla's Optimus robot. From its initial conceptualization to its current state, prepare to be amazed by the evolution and remarkable achievements of this cutting-edge creation. During the 2023 shareholders meeting at Tesla, Elon Musk revealed a new video showcasing the Optimus robot, which he anticipates will become the primary source of the company's value in the future. Additionally, he shared insights on the development team's training approach for the AI. Can you picture a world where robots not only accomplish complex tasks, but also interact flawlessly with humans? Tesla's Optimus robot is making that vision a reality. With its state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, the Optimus robot has the ability to learn and adapt to new environments and tasks, making it one of the most advanced robots ever created. The Optimus robot is an impressive machine that boasts advanced sensors and dexterity. It can handle delicate objects with remarkable precision and accuracy, making it a valuable asset in industries that require intricate tasks. Whether it's assembling electronics or performing complex surgeries, this robot is leading the way in revolutionizing multiple fields. One of the standout features of this robot is its exceptional capability to engage with people. Thanks to its advanced natural language processing abilities, the Optimus robot can comprehend and react to human commands, making it a valuable companion in various settings, from professional environments to everyday situations. From assisting in household chores to providing educational support, the Optimus robot enhances human lives in ways we never thought possible. Its constant evolution and software updates ensure that it stays at the forefront of technological progress. Tesla's Optimus robot is constantly exploring new possibilities and surpassing the limits of robotics with each passing day. The advancements achieved by this technology are truly remarkable and have completely altered our outlook towards the future. Its capacity to revolutionize various industries is awe-inspiring and motivational. Tesla's Optimus robot is poised to exceed all expectations with its state-of-the-art technology and groundbreaking innovations. Since its creation, the Optimus robot by Tesla has amazed the world with its unmatched potential. It's not an ordinary robot but rather a revolutionary innovation that has transformed the field of robotics. Every day, it exceeds our expectations and challenges what we thought was achievable. Observe the unwavering commitment and precise focus put into creating this remarkable mechanical marvel. Discover the state-of-the-art features that make Tesla's Optimus robot truly exceptional. Its unmatched precision, seamless integration of artificial intelligence, and unparalleled adaptability are just a few examples of what sets it apart from anything else in the market. In addition, its strategic partnerships and frequent updates have propelled it into a league of its own. It's impressive to see how effortlessly it navigates complex environments, flawlessly performs intricate tasks, and intelligently interacts with its surroundings. You will be amazed by the incredible versatility and human-like abilities of Tesla's Optimus robot. This cutting-edge technology surpasses the boundaries of science fiction to represent the forefront of innovation. Explore the future now and witness the amazing potential and unmatched accomplishments of this revolutionary invention. Prepare for an inspiring journey that will transform your view of robotics. In conclusion, witnessing the astounding progress of Tesla's Optimus robot is an experience unlike any other. As it continues to defy expectations and exceed all limitations, it paves the way for a truly revolutionary era in the field of robotics. Prepare to have your mind blown as we explore the possibilities, achievements, and undeniable brilliance of Tesla's Optimus robot. Get ready to embrace the future. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Thanks for watching.